Yeah, we're here today at the future site of our orphanage for Little Lambs International, and we have a site crew here that we've hired. We've raised some money and gotten them out here, and they're digging away from a rock pile. We're trying to use a lot of the resources from the land here, and they're going to put in a ½ mile worth of road and cover it with a base of 6 inches of stone, and then give us some swales so we don't have any runoff coming down the mountain. The road will lead up to the future site of our first building, which will be the mission house.
Bueno, estamos aquí en la tierra, en el terreno de lo que va a ser el la máquina que está salvando la montaña para hacer una carretera que nos va a llevar a la primera construcción que se va a hacer, que es una casa de misioneros.